Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got your VideoMicro from RØDE. It's a very compact microphone which fits your DSLR and mobile phones also. You can even fit this to your GoPro, other action cameras with proper mount. I got this for $60 from US. It's a bit expensive in India, like this costs around 8,000 or 9,000 in India, and that's really not worth buying. So if you want to get this mic, try to get it from US only. And this is the entire content I got in the box. Let's see what it got. This is one of the best plug and record microphones out there. You just need to plug into DSLR or your mobile phones and start recording, and no device attached to the microphone. So this can be one of the simplest microphones you can get. It comes with a dead cat filter, and this is the microphone. Quality is really good, made of metal, and the size is really small, so you can carry it anywhere you go. This dead cat filter reduces the wind noise, so you can get very good quality audio out of this mic. And it has a shock mount included, which absorbs the shocks of you moving around with the camera or any bump on the camera. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and comment below. And if you want more detailed review about this mic, mention the comment below. I would love to make more videos for you.